Good day, Miss Nelia. How are you today?
I'm good, sir, madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, sir, madam. I am Nelia Alcaide, 23 years old. I am a single mother with one kid. I have 5 brothers and 3 sisters. My father is already deceased and my mother is a housekeeper. I am a college graduate and I work here in Philippines as a domestic helper for almost 1 year. And since 2013 to 2014. My major duties are childcare, age 3 years old.
Okay, ma'am. Can you tell us your daily activities in taking care of child care?
Preparing meals for them, send them to schools, play with them, read books for them. I love children very much.
Okay, and so what are your other duties from your previous employer?
Sir, madam, cooking, cleaning, ironing, and laundry, sir.
Okay, very good. So, do you know how to cook?
Yes, sir, madam.
And what kind of dishes you can prepare?
Filipino dishes, madam.
And do you know how to go to market?
Yes, sir, madam.
And do the marketing also?
Yes, sir, madam.
And do you know the responsibilities of being a domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam.
So, why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, madam, to earn money for my future, for my family future.
Okay, very good. So, do you have any last message for your future employer?
Sir, madam, if you hire me, I promise to do my duties and responsibilities in my very best to finish my contract.
Thank you very much and hope to see you in Hong Kong. Before we end, can you show your best smile?